My easiest recipe is definitely grapefruit cream. I just love it. It's the easiest way for me to eat grapefruit. I never used to like grapefruit. Now I love it. I eat it daily. Let me show you how to make this very easy, quick recipe. We will start off by washing our produce, and I use triple orange. I will put in a link to a video I made about using this wonderful cleaning agent. I wash all my produce, even if I'm going to peel it. I just want to make 100% sure before I put a knife in it that I don't spread any toxic substance that shouldn't be on there. So we're going to peel the grapefruit. Now it's ready to go into the blender. I'm making 2 portions. So I've got 2 grapefruits, and then I've got a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds per person. So this is 1/2 cup. So you can make the recipe just with the grapefruit and the seeds, and it will give you the cream. And then I'll show you another variation after that. This looks amazing. This is nice and thick, and this recipe is extremely flexible. If you're not limited to the type of fruits that you can eat, you can add any fruit. One of our favorites is to add naartjie, but naartjie is not always available. So today we're going to add in some watermelon. I'm not going to add too much because we don't also want it too runny. Wow, it looks amazing. This only takes a few minutes to make. The best time for us to prepare it is when we make breakfast, or if we need to do a packed breakfast, we do it the previous night. But just to show you what it looks like, you can see this is a nice thick cream. This is not yogurt, but I always say this is an excellent yogurt replacement for me. It's much cheaper, because the plant-based yogurts are extremely expensive. This is a nice creamy sauce to eat with your breakfast. This is now ready to be served. Enjoy it. We just love it. It's one of our favorites. If you're not going to use it immediately, remember to cover it to prevent oxidation, and remember to store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. Remember not to throw these grapefruit peels away. I'll put a link in on the right hand corner that you can watch a video where I explain exactly how I make the citrus peel powders. They give wonderful flavors to your breakfast and to other meals. I hope you liked today's video. Remember to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on future content. And remember, take care of your health. It's precious.